Hi everyone, so today we're going to share our summer Friday night evening routine, and this is my favorite season to spend with the family because school is officially out and we get to spend time together without always looking at the clock. All right, TGIF, thank God it's Friday. And Fridays, you guys, like, I know everybody like Fridays because that's the day everybody has to wind down. You wind down, you just get in your relaxing mode. So what I love to do, like in the evening, on Fridays, is to go ahead and log into my email, reply to my emails, and also I like to try as much as possible to finish my workload for the weekend, because you guys know, every other week we always post vlogs. So I try as much as possible to finish editing my vlogs that go up on Sundays, on Fridays. So literally I try as much as possible to tidy up my decks before, Friday evening, so that way I'll be able to enjoy my whole weekend. And also this video is done in collaboration with Topping. I'm still gonna share all the details regarding this particular brand in this video. To be honest, guys, not every day in the week I'm in the mood to cook anything. So today I decided to just go ahead and order something for us to eat for dinner, because I wasn't in the mood to just enter the kitchen and start cooking and doing all that. So the twins were outside with their brother. Like, of course, school is officially out, so they spend time outside, getting fresh air and everything. So I just finished up with my work and it's time to go on ahead and join them. And because it's so humid outside and the air inside the house can tend to be stale, I went ahead and put on an air purifier, and this is the Topping Comfy Air Bridge 4. And you guys know purifiers are so beneficial to our health because they provide a clean and fresh air, and also helps reduce the chances of health issues which can be caused by air pollutants. And as you all can see, this one right here, I'm so in love with the color, and this is so sleek, guys. Like, I love the fact that it's not bulky, it's just, a perfect nice size, and this covers up to 392 feet in 12 minutes. So that means it's ideal for large living spaces. Just imagine, putting this maybe in your living room, and you're rest assured that it can cover, as long as you're within the 392 feet, it can cover everywhere. And also I love the fact it's very, very sleek. Like, it has a very sleek handle, so that also makes it perfect because it's movable. It's actually portable. You can move it from one room to the other, which is also a plus, because you don't need to, like before I used to have like purifiers like in the bedroom and also in the living room, but with this one right here, as long as it's within the 392 square feet, guys, it would cover everywhere. And as you all can see, it actually has a lot of settings. So the one I have on right now is the air quality display, and with this one right here, it helps let you know the type of air quality you're getting. It just has this indicator where when it's kind of green, when, as you all can see, it's green right now, so that means it's telling you that the air you're receiving is good. And then when your filter is kind of getting dirty, it can turn into orange to let you know that your air is fair, and then it can turn into red. It has about 3 different air quality indicator, so that way it makes it so much easier for you to know probably when to change your filter. This feature right here is actually my main favorite when it comes to like the function of this purifier. The fact that it comes with this tray, and this right here, you can go ahead and add any of your favorite essential oil. As you all can see, I have kind of an orange fragranced essential oil right here, and you can go ahead and just pop it into the machine. And guys, when I mean the air you get is just exactly the essential oil you added in there. Like this right here is my favorite, and of course I'm going to link this particular product in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. It's time to go ahead and enjoy and just relax and wind down for the evening. Of course, it's funny the way the twins just are always very focused on their tablet, on their Nintendo or whatever they call it. They have this tablets they use for games, so everybody is all into their gadgets. And poor Ace was just, you know, inside his walker. I'm sure he will be so happy the fact that mommy is here. But guys, while we were all relaxing outside, the delivery guy came, so I had to go pick up the food. And yeah, I just like I said, I wasn't in the mood to cook or make anything, so I decided to order some Popeyes. We got some chicken, I think some rice and beans, some biscuits, just, you know, just to relax and eat and just enjoy for the evening. Take it away, feeling too good to me. And of course, Mr. Ace couldn't just wait to get his plate, so he was reaching out for the chicken, and I had to give him some. He's so into chicken, guys. I don't know what it is, and this boy with chicken, like whenever I'm cooking or anything, guys, like Ace doesn't use his eye to see chicken, so once he sees chicken, that's it. And of course, hubby also wasn't, you know, he didn't come back early today, so we were just, you know, just having our girls time. And of course with Ace, we're having the girls time with Ace, because normally hubby would, you know, maybe be with Ace while I'm with the girls, you know, filming or something like that. But we were all here until he came back, like later in the evening. But yeah, we're just gonna relax and just eat and have our dinner. This is basically our dinner, guys. Okay, so I had to come through with some Masha and the Bear. You guys, like, if you watch my vlogs, you know Ace is obsessed with Masha and the Bear, so I had to go ahead and put on some Masha and the Bear for him. Okay, so at this point I would have gone ahead to do the dishes, to clean the kitchen, to do this, to do that, but no, there is nothing like that, guys, because I didn't cook today. So all I had to do was just to pack the remaining of the food, you know, from Popeyes. I just put everything inside one pack and headed them straight to the refrigerator. But guys, please excuse those things you can see on my cabinet. We actually have a project going on. So at this time is already, I think, around 8:30. So the twins headed into the bathroom to have their bath, you know, their night bath. And yeah, I also went ahead, had my bath, and now it's skincare time. You know, I always like to take out the time to give my skin a lot of time and also treatments, because I have a very severe acne prone skin. So if I miss any of my skincare routine, by the next day it's gonna show. So of course I'm gonna go in with the treatments, and this is the acne.org treatment. Still my favorite, like still my hard and die. Absolutely love this product when it comes to acne prone skin. If you have an acne prone skin, guys, you definitely need to give this product a try. And of course everybody is all ready, and it's Ace's time. He had to have his own bath, and when I was done bathing him, I also went ahead to brush his tongue. Of course, as a baby he needs his tongue brushed, because if you don't, you're going to see all those white and gooey things inside his tongue. Look at him trying to Look at him trying to clean his mouth. Oh my gosh, guys, this child. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of apply his lotion, get him ready for bed. One thing about is once you give him a bed, guys, the next thing is sleep. So even while I was still getting him ready for bed, he was already, you see, he's beginning to get cranky. Once he starts getting cranky, guys, you know it's sleep time. Like just put water on Ace and he's already gone. Like he's out, he's already like off to sleep once water touches him. So I'm just going to go ahead, get him ready for bed, and I'm going to go ahead and apply his tube tubby. This is actually the lotion I use for his face because of the fact that Ace had a very severe acne prone skin. After he was born, he had these blisters of acne all over his face. So ever since then, we've been using tube tubby on his face, and the tube tubby actually got rid of those things, like I think after 1 week or so. So since then we just stuck with tube tubby for his face. And also I went ahead and oiled up his hair. His hair is actually too much, guys. I was thinking of cutting his hair, but I got a lot of people saying I should leave his hair alone. So next I went ahead and gave him his vitamins because yeah, he has his everyday vitamin and I always give him. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and got him ready for bed. Can you just hit that like button below if you're enjoying our evening routine? So while Ace was off to sleep, me and the girls, we decided to catch up on some Netflix movies. They were actually very, very surprised when we were searching for a movie. There's this movie we watched and we were waiting for the next season to start. So surprisingly, when we clicked Netflix, you guys would see the excitement on their face when we now found out the next season is out. Look, you guys are gonna see it right now. So we just relaxed, we had fun, you know, we watched our movie, and then yeah, we like to spend time on Friday nights because there is no cap when it comes to the time, you know. On Friday nights we can be awake till maybe 11, 12. We just relax, watch our movies, and sometimes when we get bored we can get popcorn or get ice cream. Angel actually said, Mommy, we need some ice cream in this in this movie time. So she went and got some ice cream. Of course, there was no popcorn. Am I the only one that actually enjoy ice cream and popcorn, guys? I love me some ice cream and kind of salty popcorn. It just tastes so good. But yeah, they went ahead and got some ice cream, and we had our ice cream, guys, and we watched our movie. This is actually what makes Friday nights so fun. Like within the week we usually don't have the time, you know. I'm always working, Daddy's always working, but Fridays are always the time we get to, you know, just relax and watch movies and go to bed whenever it is we choose. After consuming all those sugar from the ice cream, guys, the twins headed to the bathroom to go brush their teeth while I ended up fixing up the living room. And you know, I also went ahead and joined them because yeah, we need to brush our teeth after all the sugar. You know, you don't want to go to bed with all them sugar in your mouth. Yeah, we're literally winding down right now. I think it's around probably 11:45 by now. So of course they headed to bed, and I always have to tuck them in because I have to switch off their lights. And you know, before we all go to bed, we all, you know, have our family prayer. And yeah, guys, I just, you know, put off the lights. It's lights out. And on my own side, Hobby was actually in the study. He comes to bed, you know, when he's ready for bed. So I always take out the time to kind of go through my weekly to do, to make sure I covered everything it is I listed down to do for the week. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover up my hair because I'm not used to going to bed with my hair all over the place, guys. I like to go ahead and just use my hair bonnet or my hair net and just pack my hair. And yep, guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to check out my description box for all the info regarding topping. And yeah guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy this video, and of course till my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye.